the open cook. What we're going to do today is a nice meatball and noodle soup, and I think it's called Almondigas. I think it is. I'll put a caption somewhere here. But what we've got some ground pork mince. This is 5% fat. A couple of spring onions, a few tablespoons of all-purpose flour, chicken stock cube, a couple of cloves of garlic, onion, an egg, olive oil, some fish sauce, and some like rice noodles. And I'm going to put some fine strips of cabbage in, white cabbage in as well. So we'll get all this prepped up and we'll carry on. See you in a minute.
eternity later.
Okay, so there we have it, a meatballs and noodle soup, Almondigas, I think it's called, I'll put it here somewhere. So we've got some lean ground pork, some spring onions finely chopped, egg, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, salt and black pepper, olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, onion just chopped up, white onion, about a pint of chicken broth, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and some like glass type noodles, which are, the ones I used was these ones. Like rice noodles, really fine, really nice. So don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Just going to have a little taste of that soup. Really tasty. Yeah, the chicken broth and that fish sauce. I'm starting to turn around to fish sauce. I didn't like it first of all, but I think I was putting too much in, so I'll put a minimal amount. So this is really tasty. I'm going to eat it because I'm really starving, and so I'll see you on the next one. See you later, guys. Take it easy.